Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S Android 10 based MIUI 11 stable update rolling out now. The Android 10 based MIUI 11 update for the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S smartphone will include changes in the overall UI design along with major bugs fixes. Xiaomi recently released the Android 10 based MIUI 11 stable update for the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 and Mi 8 smartphones in China. Now, the company is rolling out another Android 10 based software update for the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S smartphone from 2018. The latest Android 10 update for the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S device bumps up the MIUI version number to v11.0.1.0.qdgcnxm. It is about 2.1 gigabytes in size and currently only available for users based in China. The update brings the latest Google's operating system along with major bugs fixes and system stability improvements. As per the changelog, the new software update includes a fix for an issue that prevented the mobile phone avatar enter in the app notification settings page. The update also fixes some major issues in the network assistant including fix the problem of incorrect whitelist statistics, fix the problem of stutter when searching for the application in some cases, and fix for abnormal network control rules after SIM card exchange. Xmarina reports. Some other minor bug fixes present are in the game acceleration tool. It has now fixed the problem of incomplete display of pop-up window content after opening the floating window in the game. Another bug fix in the update includes the fix for overlapping images at the bottom of long screenshots. The auto update is rolling out in phases, so it could take a while before reaching all units gradually. Users will receive a notification to download the update. Alternatively, the update can also be checked by going to the settings section. Greater than about phone, greater than system update. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S Android 10 based MIUI 11 update includes changes in the overall UI design. The new software update will also bring gesture navigation, system-wide dark theme, live caption, improved smart reply feature.